Hello, and good morning, good afternoon, or good night wherever you are, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be something that is kind of getting into the fall weather. As you can see, I'm in my flannel, and flannels are for fall. That's why they both start with F, in case you didn't know. But anyway, today's video is going to be something fall kind of related. I'm trying to make it fall related, but it's not necessarily fall related. So, it is about skincare. It is a quick mini review of this TIAM My Signature Red C Serum. And this is something that I picked up, I think in my last Dulce haul, and I'll try to link that up there if I can. But yeah, I just really wanted to talk about this product because it is a vitamin C serum. It also has vitamin B12 and glutathione. I think that's how you pronounce it. But anyways, it's supposed to brighten up your skin and also help fade acne scars. And the reason that I think this is important for the fall into the winter is because, I don't know about you, but my skin looks pretty good in the summer. Like, my skin is clear, it's shiny, it's bright, it's like glowing because first of all, you get more vitamin D and like you're getting out there in the sun. Also, you're not like touching your face as much because it's hot outside. And also, you know, like in the winter and the fall, you bundle up and you tend to go like this, and well, not exactly like that. It's like with a scarf or something, but things cover your face. So you tend to get more acne or breakouts along your jawline, and this is here to save the day and help fade those scars, which is especially good if you have light skin like me, and acne scars are the bane of your existence because they just look really bad on your skin. So, without further ado, let's get into my little review of this product. So this comes packaged like this. I keep it in its box. It actually came with like a little screw cap that I have still in the box. But anyway, you are looking at the vitamin C serum, the red serum, and it is actually kind of red. They say that you should store it in the fridge. I haven't done that, so I am bad, but if you get this, try your best to store it in the fridge. I just know I'll forget to use it if I put it in the fridge. I've got to get like a beauty fridge or something. But what you do is you just open it like this, you use the little squeezy thing, and you can see there's already some in there. You squeeze some out into your hand, and you put it on your face. I use this every day. I don't think that's for everyone, because if you do have really sensitive skin, it's probably not going to be good to use this every day. But for me, because I was using a vitamin C serum before, using this every day was nothing for my skin. So if you are first getting into it, do not use it every day. But if you already use it every day, then use it every day. This has helped my scars so much. And that's why I wanted to do a review of this, because it's more of just like a raving about the product, because first of all, I've had less acne than usual, less breakouts than usual, even though I've still been eating like a little bit of junk food here and there, but I've had a lot less breakouts, and I think that's because of some of my other skincare products, which I will talk about in an upcoming video. But this has just really helped fade when I do get those occasional like hormonal breakouts, or if I have too much milk, or like just something that aggravates my skin and I get like a little breakout here or a couple little ones here, like wherever I get some little ones or even just like one big one, this fades the scars for it so fast. Like in less than a week, there's not a sign that it was there anymore. And I just wanted to tell you guys about this product because I think it's so great. I think if you haven't tried this already, you definitely should for the fall and winter months, because people tend to break out a bit more, especially if you have dry skin too. But this isn't moisturizing or anything. It's not gonna do too much else for your skin except for help if you get acne scars and help brighten up your face a bit. So on Dulce right now, this is on sale for $17.83. And I think, oh yeah, they also have a free K-Packet event. So if you're looking to buy right now, if you buy, you get free K-Packet shipping. I will probably be purchasing something during this sale. So if you are going to too, let me know what you're gonna buy in the comments down below. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it at that because I tend to rant, but overall this has been great for my skin, great at fading acne marks. So if you have acne marks or discoloration on your face and you're looking to get rid of it, definitely try this out. And I give it a big thumbs up and 5 hearts, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry I didn't post last week, but Halloween was busy, so please forgive me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it, and I hope to see you all back here next time. Bye!
I might never